John Casper, the editor of the Winona Daily News, and we're going to go try to find the cars in the hillside near Farmers Park between Stockton and Lewiston. I've got a couple helpers along with me. Got Max and Jack, so we're going to go try to find some cars. Second crack at trying to find these cars. We went to an area a little further west, a little bit closer to the park entrance by a yellow gate that was around there, but we had no luck there and just had some high grass. So now we're a little bit to the east of that, and we're gonna go try to find some cars. Alright, so we walked pretty much straight ahead from that little parking lot off 14, and we are down by the street. Going to the right. The train tracks are up there, as you see, and we're approaching. You see the train tracks? Alright. And we're coming along, and it looks like right up here are indeed some cars that we found in the hillside. So that was really easy to find them. Apparently there are some other cars buried around here as well. You may have to actually climb up some railroad tracks to find them. But these ones are actually pretty easy to find. Actually come out here because it's a little overgrown, but there are the cars back there. So I'd recommend that you come and check that out before this area gets too overgrown and you can't see them.